Hey guys, welcome to vtechacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to prove the formula of sum of the cubes of natural numbers by using the principle of mathematical induction. So the sum of the cubes of natural numbers 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube is given by n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So let us prove this formula with the help of the principle of mathematical induction. So first let us consider it as a p of n and name it as the equation 1. First let us prove p of n is true by substituting n is equal to n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So by substituting here we get 1 cube is equal to 1 square into 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So we get here 1 cube as 1 and 1 square is 1 and 1 into 1 plus 1 whole square would be 2 square, which implies 4 divided by 4. Here 4 and 4 get cancelled in the numerator and denominator and we get 1 is equal to 1. As here LHS is equal to RHS, we can say that P of 1 is true. And now let us find the next term of the series by substituting n plus 1 in n cube. So we get here n plus 1 whole cube, which would be the next term of the series. Now by adding n plus 1 whole cube on the both sides of the equation 1, we get 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube plus n plus 1 whole cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus n plus 1 whole cube. Now let us simplify the RHS term. First let us take the LCM as 4. So the numerator would come as n square into n plus 1 whole square plus 4 into n plus 1 whole cube. So by taking n plus 1 whole square as a common factor, we get n plus 1 whole square into n square plus 4 into n plus 1 divided by 4. Now by multiplying 4 with the group n plus 1, we get here n plus 1 whole square into n square plus 4n plus 4 divided by 4. And therefore we can write this as n plus 1 whole square into n square plus 2 into n into 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 4. So therefore this would come as n plus 1 whole square, and we observe that the expression n square plus 2 into n into 2 plus 2 whole square is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by writing this in the form of a plus b whole square, we get n plus 2 whole square divided by 4. So we can write this as n plus 1 whole square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So by this we can say that P of n is true for P of n plus 1, and therefore we can conclude that P of n plus 1 is true. So therefore the formula for the sum of the cubes of the natural numbers 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube is given by n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So this is the proof of sum of the cubes of the natural numbers. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.